from Netherlands, Van Meekeren, played 58 ODIs, has economy of 6.99. Australian spinner Adam Zampa played 73 ODIs, has 6.98 economy. Bhuvneshwar Kumar from India played 87 ODIs, has economy of 6.96. South African speed gun Dale Steyn played 47 ODIs, has economy of 6.94. Ravi Ashwin from India played 65 ODIs, got 6.9 economy. Sri Lankan all-rounder Wanindu Hasaranga played 58 ODIs, got economy of 6.89. Nathan McCallum from New Zealand got economy of 6.82 in 63 ODIs. JJ Smith from Namibia has economy of 6.82 in 32 ODIs. Bangladeshi all-rounder Shakib Al Hassan played 117 ODIs, has economy of 6.79. Zahoor Khan from UAE played 43 ODIs, has economy of 6.76. Imran Tahir from South Africa played 38 ODIs, got economy of 6.73. Mahesh Theekshana from Sri Lanka played 38 ODIs, got economy of 6.66. Shahid Afridi from Pakistan played 99 ODIs, has economy of 6.63. Indian spinner Kuldeep Yadav played 32 ODIs, got economy of 6.62. Mohammad Hafiz from Pakistan played 119 ODIs with economy of 6.60. Mehdi Hassan Miraz from Bangladesh played 38 ODIs, has economy of 6.56. Jasprit Bumrah played 62 ODIs with economy of 6.55. Samullah Shinbari played 65 ODIs with economy of 6.51. Fazal Haq Farooqi played 24 ODIs with economy of 6.50. Zishan Maqsood played 48 ODIs with economy of 6.49. Ashton Agar from Australia played 47 ODIs with economy of 6.47. Ajanta Mendes from Sri Lanka played 39 ODIs with economy of 6.45. Sandeep Lamichhane from Nepal played 44 ODIs with economy of 6.40. Hamid Hassan from Afghanistan played 25 ODIs with economy of 6.39. Johan Botha from South Africa played 40 ODIs with 6.37 economy. Graham Simon from England played 39 ODIs with economy of 6.36. Pakistani spinner Saeed Ajmal played 64 ODIs with economy of 6.36. Mohammad Naveed from UAE played 31 ODIs with economy of 6.35. Mujibur Rahman from Afghanistan played 43 ODIs with economy of 6.28. Pakistani spinner Imad Wasim played 66 ODIs with economy of 6.26. Harbhajan Singh from India played 28 ODIs with the economy of 6.20. Sunil Narine from West Indies played 51 ODIs with the economy of 6.01. Number 1 on that list is Daniel Vittori with 34 ODIs and has economy of 5.37.